I'd say the biggest takeaway is probably that, well, research is tough work, right? I mean, coming into this, I sort of had this, you can say, rosy vision of, oh, I have this research idea and I want to do it. But actually, it is really tough work. It involves long research hours. It involves a lot of patience. And then most of all, especially with evaluating sources, it involves a lot of expertise and skills that must come into it to produce the best quality research paper that can be. Another big takeaway, I'd say, is that especially like now with the technological age, there are a lot of new sources coming in, let's say social media posts, and that we actually tend to use in our everyday life. And I wasn't entirely sure about how to deal with this sort of new set of sources available to us now. And this workshop has definitely given me a better idea of that.